How to use black tea for hair growth. Black tea is a popular beverage made from oxidized leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Though widely known for its nutritional benefits, black tea is also used as a hair care treatment. Many proponents state that it helps increase hair growth, enhance hair color, and boost hair sheen. Black tea hair rinses are widely used to promote hair growth, as the tea's high antioxidant and caffeine contents are believed to support a healthy scalp and hair. Here's how to do a black tea rinse for hair growth. Step 1. Place 3 to 4 black tea bags in 2 cups, 475 milliliters, of boiling water. Steep them for at least 1 hour or until the water cools to room temperature. Step 2. Next, funnel the black tea into a clean spray bottle. Step 3. When you're ready to use the hair rinse, first wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo. You'll want a clean scalp before applying the black tea. Step 4. With your hair damp, separate your hair into small sections and spray a liberal amount of tea onto your scalp. Massage it gently. Step 5. Once your entire head is covered, place a bathing cap over your hair and wait 30 to 60 minutes. Step 6. Rinse your hair with cold or lukewarm water and finish by using a deep conditioner to seal in hydration. If you're using black tea to improve your hair color, you should apply it root to the tip. If you're using it for hair growth, be sure to focus mostly on your scalp. Bonus tip: it's also best to wear an old t-shirt or other old clothes, as black tea may stain your clothes. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.